Google Docs. Table of contents on your phone. Step-by-step tutorial. Before we start, I want to mention that this option to add a table of contents in Google Docs is only available on iPhone. If you're on Android, you can watch the specific tutorial with a little trick to work around this and get the same result. The link is down in the description.
Let's go with the problem and the solution.
You're reading a long document on your phone and you have to scroll and scroll and scroll, and there's no way to find the section you're looking for. But here's the quick and easy solution, and you can use it right now from your phone by following these steps. Don't waste time searching for a specific section in your document. Google Docs has a table of contents that lets you jump to any section instantly, like an index showing all the sections. And yes, we're going to do this right now from the Google Docs app on your iPhone.
Let's see how to create this table of contents.
The first step is, as you'd expect, to open your document in the app, and then tap on any line of text to show this pencil icon you see here. Tapping on it activates the document's edit mode. The next step is to select the text you want to use as the heading for each section. In this case, we'll choose this heading and tap on this symbol with the letter A, which opens the format menu. In the text settings, choose text style and then, for example, heading 2. The important thing is that it's not normal text, because we need Docs to recognize it as a heading, so it includes it in the table of contents automatically. Do the same thing and add the same style to each section of your document, at least the ones you want to appear in the table of contents we're creating. Once you have your headings, we go back to the top of the document, selecting the spot where we want the table of contents to appear. Tap on this plus sign, the one in the top menu, and you'll see a menu with several options. The one we need is at the bottom, the one that says Table of Contents. When you select it, it shows you two different styles for the table you want to use. The first option adds a table of contents with the headings of each section and also the page number where that section is located. The number is right here on the right. If you prefer the second option, Docs will create the table of contents with a different style, using internal links, linking each heading to its corresponding section. This option is better if you're going to share your document digitally. Now comes the most exciting part. Let's check that everything is working. If we tap on any of the headings in the table of contents, we see how the document jumps straight there, without us having to lift a finger. So, that's fantastic. Congratulations! You've just learned how to add a table of contents in Google Docs from your iPhone. And now you might be wondering, what happens if I add more sections to the document? Well, no problem at all. Once you've applied the heading style to the new section's title, just tap on the table you created, and in the pop-up menu, scroll to the right until you see Update Table of Contents. And voila! Problem solved. Look how good that looks. If you're feeling happier than when you started the video, don't forget to subscribe, hit like, and share your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for being here with us. See you in the next video.